How to use the Grok application. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and search for Grok AI just to make sure you have an updated version of the Grok application. So as you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Grok application. So simply tap on open. Now, as you tap on open, make sure that you're logged into your account. That can be through your Gmail or your email and login credentials. Next, what you can simply do is tap on the question over here. So if you want to ask something, just tap on the box and let's search for who is the on earth. So let's ask this question, and if you want to have a deep search, you can just tap on the deep search option and toggle on this option and then search for it. So what this does is it shows the process of how it thinks and what can be the possible reasons and so on. So after a few seconds, it's gonna give you the particular answer to your question. You can have the human connection as well. You can have two-way communication with the Grok application itself as well. So you just have to wait a few seconds and then you'll be able to achieve your answers and have a communication with the Grok AI application itself. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. So after viewing all these searches and queries over here, it will give you the definite answer after the search as well. So here are the answers, so you can just go through and get your answers. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.